Hello and welcome to CAD Maniac. This tutorial is all about downloading and installing Autodesk AutoCAD Electrical Toolset, which will help you to speed up your electrical drawing and design. So we will learn how we can download and install Autodesk AutoCAD Electrical 2022 version. For that, open Autodesk official website in your browser. It's set to US, United States. You can change it to your country. Then click on Sign In. Those who already have an Autodesk student account can sign in, otherwise you have to create an account. So I have linked a video in the I button as well as in the description section on how to create Autodesk student account, how you can verify your account with your mail, how to set up your educational profile, and finally what documents you have to upload to validate your account. Everything is explained properly till validation. So do it as shown and then download AutoCAD. Now for Autodesk Electrical, sign in using your credentials. Then click on your profile and then products and services under it, all the tool sets available. So click on view item and here it is, AutoCAD Electrical. So click on view downloads. So here are the versions. We will download AutoCAD Electrical 2022. Then click on install now. Accept the terms and click on install. Once the download manager is downloaded, click on it, then click on next. Tick the checkboxes if you want these additional components, then click on install, and once it is installed, click on start to launch AutoCAD Electrical. So here it is. Now enjoy the AutoCAD Electrical toolsets. I am leaving, so everybody stay healthy, stay safe.